Showing on the screen is a $10,000 free profile account that I just got. And if you watch this video patiently and carefully to the very end, I will show you how you can get yours and how you can start trading with it as well. Alright. And also, I'll also be explaining the terms and conditions you need to meet and get a payout from. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright. And also ensure you like this particular video so that YouTube can push it to more people and so that more people can be able to get this particular opportunity as well. Alright, so the first thing to do is to check the description or the pinned comment section, and you'll find the link that will direct you to my Telegram channel. And right in my Telegram channel is where you find the link to get this particular prop firm. And before I proceed, don't forget that this $1,200 no deposit bonus is still active. If you haven't gotten yours, you can still get yours. There are a lot of withdrawal from it and people are already getting theirs. So ensure you go and get yours as well. You can just check my previous video so that you will not miss out on this wonderful opportunity. So don't forget to join my Telegram channel and you'll find the link to get this particular $10,000 prop firm account there as well. So when you click on the link you find in my Telegram, it is going to direct you to somewhere like this where you have to register an account. As you can see, a free $10,000 practice account, no challenge, no card. Start trading and competing on the floor today. Alright, so I want you to know that you can get a payout from this particular prop firm. I'll also be sharing the terms and conditions with you guys in this video. So the first thing you have to do is to input all the details, and after inputting the details, then you click on open my $10,000 account. So after doing that, it is going to direct you right here. Alright, so you just answer this, and right here you are going to get an email that's going to contain your credentials, alright, that you are going to be needing to start trading on this particular prop firm. As you can see, I have gotten mine already. It is actually straightforward, straight to the point. As you can see, I've gotten mine already. Now I will show you guys how you can start trading with this particular prop firm. Just stay with me, alright? So before I proceed, please take out a few seconds of your time to hit that subscribe button and also drop a comment if you have been able to get yours so that people can know that this is legit and they can get it. Alright, drop a comment saying you have gotten yours, and also don't forget to like the video so that YouTube can push it to a lot of people and so that more people can be able to get this particular opportunity as well. So showing on the screen is the message I got from them. As you can see, your free $10,000 account is live now. As you can see, I've gotten mine already. Now the next thing to do right now is to log in to the platform and I can start trading with this particular account. All right, so to start trading is very simple. All you have to do is just to scroll down to where your account is, and after getting here you can see the terms and condition is also right there. All right, so you can just switch to desktop mode to see more details about it. Now to trade, just click on the open terminal right here, click on it, and it is going to load the terminal up where you can start trading with this particular account. You cannot trade it on MT4 on MT5 or MT4. Alright, so you can choose to install this particular trading app, which is A-Trader, or you can choose to start trading on their platform. As you can see right here, this is it. You can trade on their platform and you can choose to install the application. Alright, so you can just select any pairs you want, and as you can see right here, the balance is showing right here. As you can see, this is the balance right here. Now the positions you'll be opening will be displaying right here once you start placing your trades. Alright, so this is how you can just get this particular $10,000 free prop firm account, and also how you can start trading with it. Alright, and don't forget you can withdraw from this particular prop firm. Don't forget that. Alright, so I hope you're able to get yours in this particular video. Don't forget the steps. Check the description for the link. It will direct you to my Telegram channel, and in my Telegram channel you'll find the link to get to the platform right there. Straightforward and simple as ABC. Alright, and if you have any problem trying to claim yours, just ensure you send me a message on Telegram. I'll be very happy to assist you. Alright, as you can see, the gold pair is also there. You can also trade gold. You can trade any pairs of your choice. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you have gotten yours, drop a comment saying you have gotten yours so that people can know that this is real and this is legit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.